How I'm building my sixth YouTube channel and monetizing it in 2 weeks. So yeah, before you come for me, yes, I am now embarking on building my sixth YouTube channel, and I can explain why I have this sixth YouTube channel. This is basically to test if YouTube algorithm it is still on easy mode. And I discovered something. If your YouTube channel was built before June 2024, I doubt that you are within that easy mode of growing your YouTube channel pretty fast. However, I do stand corrected because many people that I'm engaging with who are also asking, hey, how come my YouTube channel is not blowing up like other people's YouTube channels if YouTube algorithm is on easy mode? And I'm like, you know what? It's a good question because this very channel itself was built in 2023, January of 2023, but I seriously started uploading on this channel in October of 2023. So for about 6 months or so, I was not uploading anything because I already had other YouTube channels that I was focusing on, particularly my main channel, which was basically taking off. So and I can see what they are talking about because this channel is not enjoying the YouTube algorithm easy mode. However, I have shared with you guys that I started or created a YouTube channel on the 1st of August 2024. And this channel, as of let's say yesterday, by the time you guys watch this video, it would have probably at 5,000 subscribers because I batch film my YouTube videos. So it is now approaching 5,000 5,000 subscribers, sorry. And clearly that channel, because it's after June of 2024, it is enjoying the easy mode of YouTube and growing pretty fast. Now, I am now testing because it's been how many months now? Probably 4 or 5 months since the easy mode started. I want to see if the window of opportunity is still open, because the last thing that we want to do as YouTubers is come on here, create videos, and basically advise people that YouTube is on easy mode, only for that window to have closed some time ago. And now people that are starting their YouTube channels are finding it difficult to grow their channels within a week, 2 weeks, a month, or whatever the case might be, because it differs. I grew my fifth YouTube channel in 2 days. I already had 1,000 subscribers. In 7 days, I was monetizing my YouTube channel, the brand new one. However, this one, like I said, it's only half monetized, still at that 3,000 hours and 500 subscribers requirement to half monetized. Now it is literally about 120 hours left before it is fully monetized. By fully monetization, I'm talking about ads running along the videos for this particular channel. So now I'm testing it out. I started a new channel. It's called Content Bite. And so this channel, I decided that I was going to post like bad thumbnails at first, because I want to see, because if the YouTube algorithm is on easy mode, it will pick up any thumbnail and then spread the word around, and people, if they like what they see, they are going to view and also subscribe. So I started this 2 weeks ago, and now I'm moving towards another 2 weeks to see if I can monetize this channel in the next 2 weeks. It will be a month old if it does indeed monetize. So I'm challenging you guys to do the same thing. If you already have a YouTube channel that was built before June 2024, I will encourage you to start up another channel, especially if your channel is like struggling to meet the two monetization requirement, which is 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 hours of watch time. You know what? The new channel, I think you can throw in anything and everything that you want to, until you kind of like get a bite as to which content you should pursue as a niche. However, I am still of the view that if your YouTube channel is niched, it is easier for the algorithm to find you the type of viewers and subscribers that you need. And proof is in the pudding with my new channel. In my new channel, I talk about current affairs. and people are interested in current affairs. It's not gossip, because gossip channels, they do take off very, very quickly, because people like to escape their own realities by watching other people's lives falling apart, or getting entertained by a certain celebrity they don't like, seeing their lives falling apart, or whatever the case might be. Those such videos or such channels, they grow really, really quick, versus education based content, which can take for a very long time to grow. However, in the YouTube easy mode, I see that the algorithm also picks up education videos and blow them up. And people get monetized within days, within weeks, sometimes within a month to 2 months. So I want to see how all this is going to go. This is my sixth channel. I don't think I'm going to do anything with this channel once it has reached, or at least has given me an idea of if the YouTube algorithm is still on easy mode or not. I suspect that it's beginning to decline, meaning the windows of opportunity is beginning to close. I think maybe by end of 2024, it would have completely closed. That's why if you are listening and you are thinking of starting a channel, this is the right time. If you already have a YouTube channel and you've been contemplating on starting a new one, this is the right time, because as I am telling you, I see the decline is beginning. I also see with other people that are starting a YouTube channel, they are complaining that, hey, why my channel is not taking off? I've already had it for a week or 2 weeks. Some people are saying even a month. So I'm beginning to think that that window is beginning to close, and you do not want to be left out. All right. So I just thought, let me come on here and share with you that I have started a sixth YouTube channel. It's called The Content Bite. The Content Bite. I don't know where that even. I think it comes from Catherine Manning. She used to have a channel. Her channel used to be called The Content Bug. I mean, a bug bites, right? So I thought, hey, why don't I, instead of copying her name, because I think she copyrighted it as well. So I thought, hey, copy the content bite. I mean, yeah, if content is biting you, or to create content is biting you, basically, this is the time to start your own YouTube channel. So there are a lot of things that are going on, of course, on YouTube, and I'm so glad that the 40+ year olds are coming through with amazing content. Guys, I watch you all. I subscribe. The moment I realize you are in my age group, we are on the fourth floor, whether you are a few, what do you call this? It's a fourth floor, but with a couple of staircases up. I subscribe. I definitely subscribe. But the only thing I'm seeing that is kind of like lacking a little bit when it comes to 40+ year old starting YouTube channel is story time. Remember, guys, you are also here to impart your experiences in dating, marriage, growing, bringing up children, divorce if you are divorced, or dealing with grief if you are dealing with grief of a spouse that passed on, children that passed on, or whatever the case might be. I'm not seeing much of that content. I feel like everybody wants to talk about how to grow a YouTube channel, to start a YouTube channel, and all of these great, amazing content, which is nothing wrong with that. But I feel like there are some other real stuff that are missing coming from people of our age, that we should actually be imparting to the younger ones, who, by the way, do subscribe and watch our videos because they look up to us. We are kind of like the big brother or the big sister, the auntie or the uncle, the grandma or the grandpa they never had when they watch our videos, because there's some kind of emotion that evokes out of them when they watch our content. So I feel like there is a lot from us that is still pretty much we not haven't touched yet. So if you are 40+ year old and you've been thinking of starting a channel, please can you do this content story time, as well as how to deal with grief of a spouse, child, grandchild, or whatever the case might be, and how you got over that, because solutions are more important. That's where the value is that people come, click, and watch for. All right. So yeah, I don't know. By the way, on this sixth channel, I am doing a similar content as this one. And the reason why at the end, if I notice that the YouTube algorithm is on easy mode or not, I am able to abandon the channel or convert it into a different content altogether. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how that is going to go coming or going into the next 2 weeks or so, which is probably the end of November. I should be able to see how this channel is doing. And that, guys, you don't have to go and subscribe there. You don't have to do anything. I need brand new what do you call this, viewers and subscribers that would have been fetched for me by the algorithm. So I'm not here to promote the channel to you. I'm not promoting it at all. I want the algorithm because I want to see how the algorithm is going to behave. But I will come back to here and report to you and show you how the channel is doing. Right now, we're on 0 subscribers. And the reason why we're on 0 subscribers, even though I have 6 videos, I think 6 or 7 videos there, but the thumbnails are bad. There's no picture of me, nothing. That is another test that I'm trying to check if the easy mode does also promote the videos with thumbnails without a face. Just, I don't know. It's just nothing there. But the content is on the inside, or the value is the video itself. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to change the thumbnails, of course, from tomorrow going forward, and then see how the changes are going to affect my channel going forward. So, hey, let's start this challenge together. All right, let's start this challenge together. Let me know if you started your channel, your new channel. I'll be very happy to hear from you. Other than that, ciao.